Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the newest Kodi version to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of seconds. Sorry, not seconds, but minutes, yeah. And to do that, first of all, you need to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. So if you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course just follow me. So firstly, we have to go to search on the Firestick. Here it is, open the search bar and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Then just click on downloader, and here is that orange app, which you need to get. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we'll need to go to settings by clicking that button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. So open it, and from here you'll have to turn on the developer options now. But on some Firesticks and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the 8-bit debugging. After that, you go to install and on apps. And from here, what you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet. And not necessarily only those apps, which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on the Firestick. Here it is, we open it. And now there is the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using the downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in the VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Czech Republic right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So I have to go and open Downloader on the Firestick, then go to search bar and enter the link, which will be Kodi.tv. So that's the link you have to enter. So go to Kodi.tv, after that click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. Then the next step is to click on that sandwich button right here and go straight to the download page. So we open it. Now we need to select our platform, which is going to be Android. You click on that, scroll down again, and now for the Firestick, we'll have to use the ARM v7a version right here. Click on it and the download of the app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait until Kodi gets installed to the Amazon Firestick device. After that, do not click on open yet. Instead, it's better to press done because this way you'll get an option to delete the installation files, which you do not need anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And now when you go back to the list of apps on Firestick, open it, and here at the bottom you will finally see Kodi. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote now. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.